Armacell in North America has launched a new website. Here are some tips to help you navigate the new menus. First, take note that the website address is now armacell.com, not armacell.us. To choose your country or language, go to the main menu, select your country, and find your language options. On the main navigation, there's information about Armacell, our products, applications, resources, our insights blog, and sustainability. Use the blue bar for shortcuts to the product finder, download center, contact an expert, Armawin Solutions Portfolio, and Armacell Academy. At the bottom of each page, a footer has quick links to pages like the download center, the product finder, or our component foams overview. To contact us, there are links in the footer, the blue bar, and the top menu. All these forms go into our general insulation web inquiry queue. To contact someone in another division, use the top Armacell menu. Scroll down to contact us, and then choose PET foam or component foams contact form to get to the right specialist. Visit the download center and notice that all the documents are grouped together. Use the filters to limit the results. Click Load More. What to search for a product? Go to the Products menu, choose Brands, and select the family brand like Armaflex or Armacom. Use the filters to limit the results. Click Read More to select a product. On the product page, you'll find a link to the technical data sheet, and on the Technical Specs tab, you can view some of the technical data at a glance. If you use the Product Finder link, you'll see all brand families together in one list. Filter them to make the results more manageable. In a hurry, do a site search for your product if you know its name. There's much more to discover on Armacell's new website. We hope these tips help you with the new design and functions.